In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep a gratitude journal and be thankful for the entire year. Over the past decade, psychology researchers have identified the great psychological, social, and physical benefits that come from giving thanks, and have discovered the best practices to help you reap those benefits. One of the most popular of these practices is the gratitude journal. To ensure that you experience all the benefits that keeping a gratitude journal can bestow upon you, you want to remember these tips. Tip number 1. Don't just go through the motions. To truly benefit from your gratitude journal, you need to make the conscious decision that you want to become happier and more grateful in your life. Doing this will provide you with the motivation to become happier, which plays a significant role in the effectiveness of journaling. Tip number 2. Go for depth over breadth. Various studies have shown that elaborating in detail about what you're grateful for will provide you with more benefits than jotting down a superficial list of numerous things. Take the time when you're writing in your journal to include more details about what you are grateful for. Tip number 3. Get personal. Rather than focus on the things that you are grateful for, try focusing more on the people that you are thankful for. Getting more personal in your gratitude journal will have a more significant impact than merely listing those things in your life that you are grateful for. Tip number 4. Try subtraction. A handy way of stimulating gratitude in your life is to take the time to reflect on what your life would be like without your blessings. Rather than tallying up all the good things in your life, look at where you would be and what you'd be experiencing if those blessings weren't a part of your life. Tip number 5. Savor surprises. Surprises and unexpected blessings tend to bring on stronger levels of gratitude. So when you're surprised with an unexpected blessing, be sure to record the events in as much detail as possible. Tip number 6. Don't overdo it. Writing just once or twice a week is much more beneficial than writing in your gratitude journal every day. Studies have shown that writing in your journal only once a week for 6 weeks can boost your happiness more than people who write in their journals 3 times a week. Keeping a gratitude journal is about forcing yourself to pay attention to the good things in life that you tend to take for granted and can help you establish the habit of paying closer attention to the world around you.